Hello guys, welcome to one more video of my channel. In this video we are going to learn about main sheet metal fabrication techniques. Uh, and I'm in the sheet metal industry from quite a long time, over a decade of experience in sheet metal. Let's just go with the overview of how sheet metal workshop looks like. So let's just means lots of different small tools to make different things. So let's just have a look at this. Yeah, and And after that, what is sheet metal fabrication? It is basically nothing but a transformation from a flat sheet to a desired product. Finished, that's called finished or semi-finished goods. Uh, so how do we achieve the transformation? The first part we have is the cutting tools. So there are lots of ways to cut flat sheet into a cutting tool. First tool is shears. So all the shears, they're called guillotines and some shear press, shear punch, all that kind of machines. Another one very important is a hand cutter or plasma cutter. You can also include the grinder and disc cutters as well in this category. And the third important one is CNC machines, which is used nowadays in a lot of companies. Benefit of having CNC machines is it can cut all the different and accurate shapes uh, just with a click of a mouse or just with a design in a SolidWorks or Solid Edge or any CAD/CAM softwares. So the next technique is the bending tool. Bending is in the previous process we see about the cut parts. In this one, once we have cut it, then we fold them using press brake or different tools. Uh, for example, a small press brake or small bender. Okay, and all these press brakes have different capacities, starting from thin metal that can go up to folding and rolling of really thick metal. So, in a way, we have a flat sheet we cut in a shape in a flat, and that flat shape is get folded up in a desired shape. Okay, so this is what we have got so far. After that, this is a very important task, which is called punching. So, if you see louvers and lots of different punches, this is one of the software. This is one of the machines that do the punching. Uh, so how it works is you have a bottom die and a top punch. So top punch will give a desired shape depending on the die to the machines. But mainly this technique is used only for the thin metals. We can't use it for thick metals. So after cutting and folding, uh, this comes a very important assembly, uh, important part, which is a welding and assembly. So welding and assembly is nothing but joining two corners together to make sure uh, the metal is quite fit and sturdy, and there is no gap between the metal. It increases the strength of a folded part. Also, it looks better and does not deform when you apply other forces and other applications. Also, it closes the gap. All this stuff is very important uh, to achieve the final assembly or final product. Um, well, this is enough just for the beginner of sheet metal industry. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.